Hey, it's Heather here from HumanReach, and I'm excited to introduce you to our revolutionary Superpixel. Stick around because what I'm about to share with you could revolutionize the way you connect with your website visitors and turn them into valuable leads. So, let's dive right into it. All right, here's how it works. You'll navigate to the Pixel section inside our platform. I'll walk you through it step by step. First, give it a name and specify the URL you want to track. Once you've done that, it'll generate a simple line of code on our backend, and we will install it on your website. Now, here's where the magic begins. We'll place this code on your website, and something amazing starts happening in the background. Once the Superpixel is in place, it begins matching anonymous website visitors with real identifiers like email addresses, first names, last names, and more. Take a look at the data we've collected just today. 662 visitors with 237 people identified, resulting in an impressive 36% match rate. Sometimes we even hit match rates as high as 70%. It all depends on your traffic and industry, but rest assured, we're excellent at what we do. You get access to valuable data such as first names, last names, and emails. You can even download the entire dataset. Many of our clients also leverage our automation feature, which seamlessly integrates into our prospecting system. We can automatically reach out to the visitors of your site even if they didn't leave their contact information. That, my friends, is our Superpixel. It's a game changer. You can use the data in various contexts, from your initial sales process, building reactivation flows, to running more profitable ads. The possibilities are endless. Ready to see it in action? Book a demo with us today. Trust me, this tool can transform the way you engage with your website visitors and drive conversion rates through the roof. We look forward to speaking with you soon.